originally UPDF had allowed people to use the land for short-term agriculture, but not establish permanent structures. I also have a belief that when UPDF wants its property, the people will willingly accept, because they already know that yes, we are doing farming here, but this is not our land. UPDF is willing to give Busia district local government land to place the waterworks. But before they could do that, they have come to ascertain what is our exact size of land and what does the district want. It is as after this that they will decide which portion to give Busia district local government.